Hello guys and welcome again to Crypto Vault. Before we proceed with our video, I just want to show you something real quick. Your one-stop shop for Bitcoin and crypto accessories. Any crypto accessory you have on mind. And with the best prices on the market, a verified website, and rave reviews from satisfied customers, we are your go-to destination. And of course, enjoy a lightning fast worldwide delivery, secure payments via PayPal or Stripe, and round-the-clock customer service. Elevate your crypto journey with us today. And before you judge us, make sure to visit the website. You can find the link on description.
Bullish Ethereum ETH cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $15 $195.17 and $28 $701.99 by 2030. Market examiners accept ETH could reach $11 $818.47 by 2025. Negative Ethereum market cost expectation for 2023 is $2 $701.36. Ethereum ETH presentation. Decentralized and open source, Ethereum is a blockchain that supports savvy contracts. The stage's local coin is called ETH. As far as market capitalization, Ether is the main digital money after Bitcoin. Software engineer Vitalik Buterin made Ethereum in 2013. Gavin Wood, Charles Hoskinson, Anthony D'Iorio, and Joseph Lubin were extra Ethereum originators. Crowdfunding for improvement work began in 2014, and the organization sent off on July 30, 2015. Anybody can distribute super durable and unchangeable decentralized applications on Ethereum, permitting clients to speak with them. Applications for decentralized finance DeFi offer many monetary administrations without the requirement for regular monetary middle people like banks, businesses, or trades, for example, empowering digital currency proprietors to get or loan cash against their property out for revenue. NFTs are explicit tokens that demonstrate responsibility for related resource or honor and are recognized by a few establishments. They are in like manner conceivable to produce and trade utilizing Ethereum. Furthermore, a few other digital currencies have utilized the Ethereum blockchain as a stage for introductory coin contributions and utilize the ERC20 symbolic norm. Ethereum is a blockchain-based decentralized worldwide programming stage at its heart. It is known for Ether, frequently known as ETH, its local digital money. Anybody can utilize Ethereum to assemble any protected advanced innovation they can envision. A token is incorporated into it explicitly for utilization on the blockchain network. However, clients may likewise utilize it to pay for errands done on the blockchain. Versatile, programmable, secure, and decentralized are elements of Ethereum. Accordingly, it is the blockchain of decision for organizations and engineers who are building innovation on top of it to change a few areas and how we carry on with our regular routines. Ethereum ETH specialized investigation. As indicated by specialized examination performed on Ethereum, the cost of ETH has been following a falling triangle design since mid-last year. At the determination, ETH's cost went through an exemplary bullish breakout and is expected to return to the nearest obstruction. One more reassuring sign, the cost of ETH going over the moving normal with solid exchanging action upholds this. Subsequently, assuming the pattern proceeds and Ethereum's cost goes over the principal opposition, the following significant region to watch out for is most likely to perceive how ETH's value answers this line might approve or discredit longer-term expectations. Ethereum ETH basic investigation. It's memorable's fundamental that most digital forms of money are projects as opposed to associations, rather than the securities exchange. Thus, by finishing a reasonable, crucial investigation and taking into account all the data that is presently open about the venture, you might decide if a digital money is beneficial or not. The objective of crucial examination is to learn a resource's characteristic worth. For example, you might assess whether a digital currency is exaggerated or underestimated by thinking about a couple of inward and outside factors. Second, Ether is the safe resource for decentralized finance DeFi in light of the fact that it is used as guarantee in the decentralized money DeFi conventions. For example, getting or loaning Ether to expand a yield due to marking and yield cultivating is one use case. The agreement expresses that 5% of each and every Ether will be held in marking, and 5% will be secured in DeFi. Using the overall strength record RSI, moving weighted normal MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal union dissimilarity MACD from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Ethereum ETH to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation gauges utilize continuous Ethereum ETH market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market movement. Ethereum ETH value expectation 2023. Ethereum, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The ETH cost estimate for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, perhaps coming to $5 or $65 or $6. Similarly, as with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be steady, however no significant drops are normal. Averaging $4 at $727.39 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is achievable sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. ETH is supposed to have a base worth of $4.5205. Ethereum ETH Value Forecast 2024. In 2024, Ethereum ETH cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of ETH will, before long, outperform $8,441.76. Be that as it may, we ought to stand by to check whether the ETH's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, ETH will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $6,753.41 and a typical exchanging cost of $7,428.75. Ethereum ETH Value Expectation 2025. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $11,818.47 and ETH might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. ETH is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $10 at $10,805.46 and a low of $10 at $10,130.11 in 2025. Ethereum ETH Value Forecast 2026. Assuming Ethereum effectively supports market feeling among digital money aficionados, the ETH coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, ETH will be green in 2026. The ETH is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $15,195.17, with a base cost of $13,506.82 and a typical cost of $14,182.16. Ethereum ETH Value Expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the ETH cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $17,558.86 by 2027. With a base cost of $16,883.52 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, ETH has a greatest value worth of $18,571.88. Ethereum ETH Value Expectation 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep, carrying the typical cost to around 2029 at $35.57. On the off chance that ETH figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $21,948.58. Neglecting to assemble the help ETH needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $2260.23. Ethereum ETH Value Forecast 2029. While ETH is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry cooperation, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed, so the base exchange cost has been put at $23,636.